was not like today.
Kuadhibiwa.
Adhabu ya nyumbani siku hizi imepunguka kwa kiasi kikubwa
mno.
Kuna siku pengine wetu tukirereo tulikuwa tunapachikwa vita vya ubwa na nyoka.
Vita kali.
Ulikuwa unagogwa kama ubwa ikiwa imekula mafuta ya mkalago ya fote. Bale mafote kama bale.
Mafote. Ida mafote.
Wesio no ekire maguta maune amenya atiri. Ikue. Kaende. Leo taneli. Bara ni haga. Acio ona tukire ruori. Kuria ruogo. Ni wamenya muciĩ muna bara yaku nĩ konjeketa kĩ
tauthi.
Yes, you would know.
Kwĩ mĩci yarĩ bara
kara
bara njũru.
Ona nĩ mwamenya mwahĩtia na ciana icio, you might get some pardon, they will not.
Na he kĩũndũ mũngĩekire.
Yes,
bara yambia ko ĩgũkore kwanyu
moke,
they will come for you.
They devolve.
Ndĩraigua mauma na mũrũguo Sege eko
ate Sege.
Yes,
Sege
mauma nake
gĩcungi-inĩ kĩa rũĩ
marikĩtie magũrũ rũĩ.
Ũkena gũkũ Sege. Ndũkena gũkũ wĩna mbia cia gũthika.
Nyuma gĩthĩi
ũkaringwo. Rĩu rĩmwe nĩ wakoraga some rebel minded boys.
Waasi.
Yes, waasi was Chechnya. Na Tupac Amaru.
Waasi wa Chechnya.
Wanamgambo wenye sheria na itikadi
kali.
Wameuvamia mji wa Fallujah kule Jerusalem. No, wamekabiliana vikai na Yasser Arafat. Gafurudhini aniniye bara kidogo. Kwende mohoro matura.
Nĩ bara yacenjirie mĩrũĩre. Bara irio kuo
ĩgĩthiĩ online.
Nĩ mĩrũĩre yacenjirie.
Kwende gwatura bara we.
News cia international ciakoragwo ciĩkara.
Yes. Ona kuria whether kuria kwa is it Sierra Leone. There was some rebels there that were always in the news. Charles Taylor. Yes.
Na DR Congo.
Vita vikali vimekithiri DR Congo baada ya waasi kuvamia kuteka mji mkuu. Well, there are some rebel-minded boys. Akira waguo aka-evaluate. Yes. Heo ndũngĩereirwo bara. Uge ndũngĩmĩeterera. Na wawĩkĩra imwe ĩrĩa wĩkire rĩ. Ũkona you are not very sure if you will survive the beating.
Ũkamenya rĩu haha.
Yes.
Bara ĩrĩa ĩnjetereire.
Yes.
Is near death.
Okay, what you are accused of, mukiwa na wengine ambao hawako kotini, ni kwamba mnamo
siku ya Alhamis,
Jumapili ya tarehe 22, mlionekana wazi mukitia mkono kwenye mfuko wa muhodhi kanisani na inakisiwa mulitoka na shilingi 50
na mkashikana wewe na wengine.
Pesa hizo mkaenda kuzitumia katika kitongoji duni. You see, it was worse if the news had spread across the village. Atembusie kwa karo idhari ciana ciakeire ire ngai
maraire muhothi
maraire mukuri. Maraikirie guoko
kiondo-inĩ kia muhothi.
Yes, that was treasonable. Tona ona thoguo ne ugaga atiri mwana ndekugiria tukagaya ke
tukagaya muoyo.
So you would do a self evaluation. Ukona bara yo ri. Ni ko involve ginya headman. The village headman. Ukona le weri. Your chances of what we kai sakai botere.
Heka udumo gisema na kaburi.
Yes.
Especially the other toy hiyo.
Yes. Ukona tondu riu handu hothie Sayuni ri.
Sayuni.
Paradiso.
No leo munini.
Yes. Ukauga now. Utaondokea kidogo. And because we are not very exposed, duamanya ogethie ku.
Na ndwanyuothe meitura ri.
They are all there.
Ina tata guo mahikire oku.
Na hĩndĩ ni kunaletwo red alert. Yes. Kuna tangazo la polisi. You have been circulated. Ati hari okuonerwo. Ona mundu uri ukunea no.
Ugio moko.
There is even a ransom. There is prize money. Yes.
Mundu uri ugukugia maya.
Yes.
Akurehe to the authorities.
Yes. Ginya NIS ya ihe. Ni heto wire ekuhe.
Ekuhite.
Yes. Riu ni undu wa kwa exposure ri. Wona ri ugiri wa tata jabi. Yanyendete no ri uhoro ni munene.
Ndeto ni kuna. Na ndathi kuu ni mekumenya ni kuo ndi.
Yes. So kuguru gai na so na Nairobi. No mwegiti othe your only ultimate mwegiti yare gwacoguo. Gwacoguo ri was like the embassy. Erethera mu America agihetia oku order American embassy. He is in foreign soil. You cannot touch him.
Embassy.
Yes. He is within the territorial boundaries of the United States of
America.
The land of the free, home of the brave. Riu gwacoguo kwari emba. Ungio managire tu kuingira gwacoguo. There is no urehe kindu gitagwo diplomatic conflict.
No hoy akorwo kuo.
Yes. Tondu thoguo ndangiingira kwa nyina akurute.
Hapana, he wouldn't.
He will engage in a diplomatic. Mathareke keke ukiume kou. Ndauga atiriri.
Wasira
ndauga atiriri. Tainuka. Yari kari. Okay. No, you are literally cordoned. Wegwa soguo.
Kone basi.
Wegwa soguo no ekirwo kindu getagwo riri. What do you call this prisoner extradition?
Ule besi jere kirwo guku.
Yes. You go choka kwanyu.
Oneano.
Yes. Riu ona soguo ndari kuo. Ukamenya mwegitio waku ri is to now go into the wild. Especially andu maikara kuria kwi mititu ta rwongo rwa kuria kwanyu at the foot of the Aberdeen. Kana kundu kwina kianda ngurumo ikuraihu. Wathi yako ngurumo. Of course you would steal a few things for surviving.
Ndugakue ni ngaragu.
Yes. Wayanginya mutu ucio wa mwana. You know we fagata mundu rathi hike.
Kana ukamenya kianda kwanyu kwi ngwaci.
Yes.
Ukenja cigana no ukeigira reserve.
Yes. Ugathi ngurumo piu gather the most thickest part of the of the overgrowth and undergrowth. Kathondeka kanyumba hau.
Kathondeka githunu.
Yes. A spectacular bungalow with a view. And the sights and sounds of nature. Yes. Ukauga riu
kindu takoragwo no walk-in closet.
I did walk-in closet. I did a patio.
Na master and suit.
That DSQ. No ni na front yard. Yes. Hiyo ndo wathondekaga. Ukagito. And stupid as we were, you would imagine that is where you live for the rest of your life.
Kamanya hadi sawa.
Ikakukaiwa. The sight and sound ukirete ki
no giria na rowe.
Ukagwa andu acio ihera ria ngumahe psychological war ya kunjaga. Ona one me kumenya ndi wa bata.
Me kunjetha manjage.
Wikatu kuku. Kuku. ukira kugukamba ugakwenderia kindu gito an element of fear. So you know Abakuri realize you are very much alone
and exposed,
and your line of defense is very exposed. Ukauga kumaka mwanaume
nokera gutire mundu gakua meri.
Yes, hindi we huru ni cia ruwe urandira iwa karumo ke haria hale waje yako yakagua yari ndwa imagine andu yakienda no
ikoro inyitanu oguo
ukarigo hi ugatuka kaigua tuko ukaigua kuinuka no ukona marakara mari okay,
marakara mari iguru
kuria
na ndahota riu ningi kumongerera ndene ya nare ni
waikia muthenya uyu ungi ugathi haria miti-ini na kiria kuyita kamukefe rukia ngwasi ciaku
na nugi yaku
rukia ngwasi ciaku
Kanokaia bebe.
Ukaida kukera ta gods must be crazy. Ukono hana eta watia that key character.
Gahu.
Gahu. Yes. If you are quite a man, you know, you are hitaka fuko, you would be lucky. You grab a wild rabbit. Yes.
Ukamenya riu no at least no watukania starch na protein.
Yes. Harawa menya your cover is slowly being blown. Nio geikarie ko uthiko igire. Wone ngui yanyu. Okay, that mongrel has traced you.
Duhere Simba. Simba duhere.
Duhere bako menya Simba. Yoko tuku. Ne hitima ngai oi kolero gethaka ne ginyana raso ngai tirorire neke kiu kiromi nekeromi ukaigua ngui yanyu ya kuranga githurire kago ngai ne Simba. Ukamenya that is the first indicator that handaki lako
lishajulikana
huenda likavamiwa kwa makombora. You see now people will start observing ngui ethiaga macoke associate ngui ekorogo you are confident.
Yes.
Mamenye
there is a connection.
Yes. Muthenya ukaigua kwa heano kembo murumirire cui
none ira ikuruka rucini
murumirire cui ikarumiriru rimwe ngui cio ciakwa cie very loyal niona nä rå mä rä irwo ä gacoka
ikamba kå mateithia
yes kana gathiä karinga rå rä u onagwo nä må ndå akä rä ma agacoke riboti akauga atä rä na ngui yanyu he handå ä thiaga nä rå gamagä ra ha hau nä ho wabangä rwo kä ndå gä tagwo a multi agency
operation.
Oh no, you are surrounded.
Talker.
You have the right to remain silent. Hede othogu ori ona de kwamba ukuhura wabe uassesswo medical condition.
Hede yo thiko ya kana.
Okay, gwa tube mugite irora mwana kuhinja ngai wathani kariro
ine ginya giko
kariro utuire twe makagira thiko inyoto ira hedi ohana ta mundu wauma wo wana field marshal
kada gwerira fighter
uriyaga ki
yaja gwacho guko mugunda
yagwa na miaga ngaria irete thiko yire. You know you have to sell psychological war kwendia emotional irete thiko yire igwa tande na malaria makuguruka Why you are the risk of cerebral malaria ri?
No nginya mbe omoni atiriri.
Yes.
Mungihutia tha ici ni ndahuruka.
Mungihutia, I am very vulnerable. Then a weak point in first you need to nourish me back to
feed me before you bring your case.
Nada tiakari uma to abate. Guy.
Wamara ngire ni akonjoraga.
Uma ndorora gone mundu. Uri ngiti soguo. Soguo hau. Kaba. Thogu ona etu ada nakuo.
Akaba akahorera ngoro to ni woneka.
Yes.
Tono nake no aramakaga.
No, he would pretend like he does takohotha, but you would see the desperation, a streak of desperation in his face. No, to dakue. Atuete goko. No, amuro kona. Ore akora gore.
Tiguari.
The man is disturbed. Azoka giza siana siana sika bwate. Tikuinya. You would sell the tales to your brothers. Kiromi kiroka. Kiromi. Dake nyita mato. Kira kamagoro gukenda kuhara. Gudi gere cianda. Ya ikiaro wikira thie naru. Magoro makono hana getungati.
Mundu etiritie githaka thiko ithano.
Thiko ithano.
Igara mau. Oh Lord.
When we itungati. When we oroma mete. Uri iria gwa. Na andu acio mekaga oguo ri ona umuthi umagimara they are always going camping. Hey, ni wendagiria andu guoya.
There is a forest in them.
Iroirwo ni njogu. Njogu irajigirira mubariti gacumbi. Ndinauma hau thiko ithatu. Let me tell you.
They are not going to